Okay, and this time we'll see 3 different techniques to make a picture black and white. The first technique is basic. I'm going to convert this document into a layer and create a space where this little cross can be in the middle. To duplicate the layer, and then I can show you the difference among the techniques. On the left side, I'm going to use the basic method, and on the right hand, I'm going to use a bit more advanced one. The basic method will be going to Image, Adjustments, Desaturate. Using this method, we get a simple black and white. We can do the same going to Image, Adjustments, Hue Saturation, and we move the saturation slide to the left. We get exactly the same result. The difference is that we can make this black and white, but we can add a little color. So we can control and graduate it until it becomes completely black and white, or we can decide to give it more saturation. On this slide, we can give it more or less color. Okay, on the right image, I can get a more specialized black and white. What does this mean? It's a black and white we don't make using Desaturate or Hue Saturation, but it is made with black and white option, also by pressing this shortcut. At the first, the result is very similar, but the difference between the two windows is that with black and white window, I can control if the red parts are going to be lighter or darker. I could make them a little lighter. I can make the yellow part to be darker. Let's make the yellow part lighter. The blue parts can be darker to make it more dramatic and give it more contrast. The purple parts… Okay, apparently the image has a very few purple parts. Let's make them lighter. Cyan parts… There are lots of cyan parts. Green parts… There's just little bit of green to the house area. Let's make it a little darker. With this, we can have an image in which black and white colors becomes more dramatic. In cases such as this image, if we use black and white adjustment, Desaturate for example, we can notice that the red flowers get mixed up and lost on the green grass. However, if we use the more specific method, which is black and white, we could make the red parts to look lighter and the darker parts to look closer to black, and the green parts trend to black, the blue parts trend to black, and these parts trend to white, the magenta parts, yellow parts can go black. Yeah, I like it this way. Look how we can a black and white image to become much more dramatic, as we can highlight the tones as we wish.